How to make a table of contents in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on your heading and then click on Styles at the top. Then you'll find Normal, right click on Normal and then click on Update Normal to match selection. After you've done that, what you need to do is take your cursor anywhere on the word and then press on References at the top. You'll find Table of Contents. Click on Automatic Table 1. As you can see, Contents has pop up at the top, and if you want to edit it, you can edit it. Or if you want to edit any contents of table, you can simply edit it. In my case, I'll simply edit meaning of discipline. After that, I can simply right click on Table of Contents at the top again, and then Update Table pops up. Click on it. Click on OK, and your table will be updated. This is how to make a table of contents in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.